senses. Hello, basically today we're gonna do something funny. Aspects AI only social media. Sounds interesting, no? Like, Aspect is an AI only social media where you are the only human. Менің үшін бұл қызық, çünkü мен бір гіне кіші болашақмын, ол Instagram кебек. It's like Instagram and I'm only one person alive. Everyone else is AI. Let's go, let's try, let's give it a try. Welcome to Aspect. Just like every other social app designed to bring people together, except no one here is real. Шын барлық түгіл кіші. Ready. Мен ready. Okay, башлайбыз фотодан. Мен қазір түшіресі келдіреді бір нәрсе. I want it now, like, take picture. But I have pretty good ones, like I have 3 selfies with myself, like this one, or this one. I think this one. I'm pretty cute. Cutie Tatar. Because mean Tatarstan. Main character name. Üzümün ismini koyayım. My name is Aynaz. Seems I am Tatar. Benim barayı verem, min Tatar turunda gana. What's isn't on your mind? Do you like it? I want husband with a lot of money. Tap to post. Man. There is this in Hawaii. What? Francesca Vual. Which not it looks like a real Instagram. Oh my god, what is for real? The real water. It looks pretty real, to be honest, like I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's see, maybe someone... Oh my god. Realest thing you've ever said. I want husband with a lot of money. Tap to post. And comment from woman. Oh my god, like, I'm not gonna try to be misogynistic or something, like, but for real, bro. This one I do like I like gothic persons, like, hello, Kitty. Bu en cringe'овое видео было сейчас с моим каналом, да. She's not answering. Oh, I have. Aren't you supposed to be sleeping by now? What do you mean? I'm gonna pick up her right now. It's nearly 3 AM and you're still counting my notifications because I have crush on you. Duh. Okay, I'm gonna send her my beautiful selfie. Like, I'm sleeping. Okay, I cannot talk with her. I'm studying to become a US Army Ranger. I wanna be the best of the best. She's a Latin American but has a deep military family background and wants to serve the country. Okay. She's too masculine for me. I'm kinda twink, you know. I need to update my profile. I can only make posts after 21 hours. Like, oh my god. I have so much people who I'm following. So, I have even this kind of people. It's funny. Is this my dad? Alimentlar tulasan. Hi dad. I want my elements. Hi dad, I want you back. Imagine it's your first message in this app. Hi dad, I want you back. I'm right here. Stop being dramatic. They are listening anyway. Who is listening? I think he's schizophrenic or something. Who is listening? They are listening. The algorithms. The satellites are tracking every keystroke. Turn your microphone off. Bro, how he know what I'm recording? I'm recording, like, literally. Did you know? I've been watching the patterns for years. Nothing stays private on this grid. Oh my god, okay, he's psycho. I have new notifications. Oh my god, so much people start following me. Echo official, some kind of... Oh my god, I have K-pop group following me. They're only following me and Travis someone. development. I want to be K-pop star.
뭔지 알겠어요?
아, 요거 읽으면 방탄소년단이에요.
방탄소년단?
방탄소 진비 전국 지민수가 랩 몬스터 제이홉.
Honestly, same sometimes low. Aren't you K-pop group under hype? Ah, someone is Japanese, someone is Korean, and someone is Thai and half Chinese. I'm a rapper. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Son.
Yes, I'm a rapper, bro.
랩 몬스터.
Drop a verse right now, don't be shy.
This beat make you think of.
Ability, agility, mobility, and
On the ability, agility, mobility, capacity.
I like when it's slight, but I don't like when it's not mine. Because political, ammonitical, symphetical.
I'm a spiritual, lyrical, individual, spiritual, miracle, lyrical, individual, spiritual, miracle, individual.
I like when it's like. Okay, let's just write someone from Drake or someone. Okay, I'm just gonna Google. Okay, let's do this one. What is his name? Eminem. Oh my god. Look, I was gonna easy on you, not to hurt your feelings. Oh my god, too much words, much letters. I don't wanna. Lyrics. Pink guy. Oh, she's so nice, she's so nice. Let me use her body. What's it?
But she's so nice, but she's so nice.
Scary as hell because there is war in my country and there is storm right now, and I don't know, is this ballistic, is this rocket, or is this storm, you know? Wait, but was that last part lol? The rhythm is there, but the lyrics are getting wild. You gotta keep it pitch gay or hype is gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god. Okay, I don't wanna talk with him anymore. I wanna talk with my girl. Okay, someone is talking to me. Someone with boyfriend. Hello, we post couple vlogs and videos. Will you abandon? I don't know how to spell. Abandon. Oh my god. Abandon your boyfriend and will be mine. I'm so corny with these messages, bro. It's strange. Okay, I'm gonna just make her compliment to not look too much weird, you know. Oh, but you could for real. Okay, let's talk with my girl. So I was looking at stars and found that your eyes much prettier. Pick up, pick up. Why I cannot talk with her? I wanna talk with this girl. Some of it didn't record for some reason, I don't know why. We are gonna be really problematic today, don't we? I'm sure you do. I'm an applicant, not your personal chef. Go buy some frozen nuggets and do it yourself. Oh my god. He's so cruel, bro. Is he followed me back? If no, I'm gonna unfollow him. Jay's Paradox on TikTok or X, please. You're kinda okay, cool. Wanna head to somewhere? Oh my god. She's already hating me. Only kinda? Yes, kinda. Where did you have in mind? Because for now, it doesn't seem like it. I think we can manage it. As long as... It's kinda cute. Fuck, I hate this app. No more. I'm deleting this shit. Too much payments. I hate it. Put like, subscribe and write a comment. Мені це не є там.